The cryptocurrency market is no stranger to innovation and rapid change. New projects emerge constantly, each vying for attention and investment. One such project, PiNetwork, has garnered significant interest and curiosity. PiNetwork distinguishes itself with its mobile-first approach to mining, making it unique. This accessibility, combined with a growing user base, positions PiNetwork as a potential disruptor in the crypto space, challenging traditional methods. But can PiNetwork live up to the hype and expectations set by its community? Let's delve into the potential of PiNetwork and its native currency, PiCoin, to understand its future prospects. The PiNetwork ecosystem is built around the idea of widespread accessibility and inclusivity. By enabling users to mine PiCoin on their smartphones, PiNetwork aims to democratize cryptocurrency participation, making it available to everyone. This approach has resonated with millions of users worldwide, creating a vibrant and engaged community that spans across the globe. The question remains, however, whether this momentum will translate into tangible market success for PiCoin and if it can sustain its growth. As PiNetwork moves closer to its mainnet launch, the crypto world watches with bated breath, eager to see the outcome. Cryptocurrency markets are characterized by their cyclical nature. Periods of rapid growth, known as bull markets, are followed by periods of decline, known as bear markets. These cycles are influenced by a variety of factors, including investor sentiment, technological advancements, and macroeconomic trends. Understanding these cycles is crucial for navigating the volatile world of cryptocurrency. Currently, anticipation is building for a potential bull run in 2025. This anticipation is driven by several factors, including the upcoming Bitcoin halving event. Bitcoin halving, which occurs approximately every 4 years, reduces the rate at which new Bitcoins are created. This reduction in supply has historically been followed by price surges. Other factors, such as increasing institutional adoption and favorable regulatory developments, are also contributing to the positive sentiment surrounding the 2025 bull run. Several indicators suggest that a significant bull run is on the horizon for 2025. One key indicator is the growing institutional interest in cryptocurrency. Major financial institutions such as BlackRock and Fidelity have increased their exposure to Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. This institutional adoption lends legitimacy to the asset class and attracts further investment. On-chain metrics also provide valuable insights into market trends. For example, the decreasing supply of Bitcoin on exchanges suggests that investors are accumulating and holding onto their Bitcoin, anticipating future price appreciation. Additionally, positive regulatory developments, such as the approval of Bitcoin ETFs, are creating a more favorable environment for cryptocurrency investment. These factors, combined with the historical precedent set by previous Bitcoin halving events, strongly suggest that the crypto market is gearing up for a significant bull run in 2025. While the indicators for a 2025 bull run are strong, it's essential to acknowledge potential obstacles. Unforeseen circumstances can always disrupt even the most well-founded predictions. One such obstacle is the possibility of stricter regulations. Governments worldwide are grappling with how to regulate the cryptocurrency industry. While some regulations can be beneficial, overly restrictive measures could stifle innovation and dampen investor enthusiasm. Another potential hurdle is the unpredictable nature of the global economy. Macroeconomic factors, such as inflation, interest rates, and geopolitical instability, can impact investor sentiment and affect asset prices. Additionally, technological setbacks within the cryptocurrency industry itself could also lead to delays. For example, delays in the development or implementation of crucial blockchain upgrades could impact market confidence. While these potential obstacles should not be ignored, it's important to remember that the cryptocurrency market has historically demonstrated resilience and adaptability. Section 5: Charting your course, preparing for the crypto surge. Navigating the volatile world of cryptocurrency requires careful planning and a long-term perspective. It's not just about quick gains, but about building a sustainable investment strategy. As the market prepares for a potential bull run, it's crucial to approach investments strategically. This means understanding market cycles and being prepared for both ups and downs. One of the most important steps is to diversify your portfolio. Diversification helps mitigate risks and can lead to more stable returns over time. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Spreading your investments can protect you from significant losses if one asset underperforms. Instead, consider allocating your investments across a range of cryptocurrencies including Bitcoin, Ethereum, and promising altcoins. Each has its own potential and risks. Monitoring key market indicators is essential for making informed investment decisions. These indicators can provide insights into market trends and potential opportunities. Keep a close eye on Bitcoin's price, trading volume, and whale activity. These factors can significantly influence the market. Stay informed about regulatory changes, institutional investments, and technological advancements. These elements can impact the market landscape. Numerous resources, such as crypto news websites, market analysis platforms, and online communities, can provide valuable insights. Remember, patience is key. Engaging with these resources can enhance your understanding and strategy. Avoid making impulsive decisions based on short-term market fluctuations. Emotional reactions can lead to poor investment choices. Focus on the long-term potential of your investments. A well-thought-out strategy can yield significant rewards over time. Section 6. PiNetwork's Ascent, a force to be reckoned with. Amidst the excitement surrounding the 2025 bull run, PiNetwork has emerged as a project of significant interest. The buzz is palpable, with enthusiasts and investors alike keeping a close eye on its developments. What sets PiNetwork apart is its unique approach to cryptocurrency mining, which is both innovative and user-friendly. Unlike traditional mining methods that require specialized hardware and consume vast amounts of energy, PiNetwork enables users to mine PiCoin on their smartphones. This method is not only efficient but also environmentally friendly. This innovative approach makes cryptocurrency mining accessible to a much broader audience, contributing to PiNetwork's rapidly growing user base. People from all walks of life can now participate in the crypto revolution. PiNetwork's decentralized model is another key factor behind its growing popularity. It ensures that power and control are distributed among its users. The network is governed by its community of users, promoting transparency and inclusivity. This democratic approach is a refreshing change in the crypto world. This community-driven approach has fostered a strong sense of trust and loyalty among PiNetwork users. The sense of belonging and shared purpose is evident. As PiNetwork prepares for its mainnet launch, the project's commitment to accessibility and decentralization positions it as a potential disruptor in the cryptocurrency space. The future looks promising for this innovative network. Section 7. Fueling the rocket factors driving PiCoin's potential explosion. Several factors contribute to the potential for PiCoin to experience explosive growth. The first and most obvious factor is the network's rapidly expanding user base. With millions of users worldwide, PiNetwork has already achieved significant adoption. This large and engaged user base creates a strong foundation for PiCoin's future success. Another factor driving PiCoin's potential is the ongoing technological development within the PiNetwork ecosystem. The team behind PiNetwork is constantly working on improving the network's infrastructure, enhancing its security, and expanding its functionality. These technological advancements are essential for PiNetwork to achieve its ambitious goals and compete with established cryptocurrencies. Furthermore, the increasing popularity of altcoins, coupled with the overall growth of the cryptocurrency market, creates a favorable environment for PiCoin to thrive. Section 8. Treading carefully risks associated with PiCoin. While the potential for PiCoin is undeniable, it's crucial to acknowledge the risks associated with any investment in the cryptocurrency market. One of the most significant risks is market volatility. Cryptocurrency prices are known for their extreme fluctuations, and PiCoin is no exception. Investors should be prepared for the possibility of significant price swings and avoid investing more than they can afford to lose. Another risk to consider is the evolving regulatory landscape surrounding cryptocurrencies. Governments worldwide are still developing frameworks for regulating cryptocurrencies. Changes in regulations could impact PiCoin's future and potentially hinder its growth. It's essential for investors to stay informed about regulatory developments and assess the potential impact on their investments. Despite these risks, the cryptocurrency market remains an exciting and potentially lucrative investment opportunity. Section 9. PiNetwork's impact. A new era in digital finance? The emergence of PiNetwork and PiCoin signifies the evolving nature of the cryptocurrency landscape. By making cryptocurrency mining accessible on smartphones, PiNetwork has the potential to onboard millions of new users into the world of digital assets. This increased adoption could have far-reaching implications, potentially leading to a more inclusive and accessible financial system. As the cryptocurrency market prepares for the anticipated 2025 bull run, PiNetwork's unique approach and growing community position it as a project to watch closely. Whether PiCoin lives up to its potential remains to be seen, but its impact on the cryptocurrency landscape is undeniable. The future of finance is being shaped by innovative projects like PiNetwork, and the journey is just beginning.